Hello team, how you guys doing? I was not gonna go anywhere, I was not gonna film anything because tomorrow I'm going to Wellington to do weeks of tattooing in my OG shop where I started, and the day is beautiful, it's warm, I finally acclimatized. Glorious sunshine, look at it. Bit of cloud there, but it's beautiful. My friendly little garage swallows are watching me, what I'm doing. Anyway, I've been building a little headboard with the recessed little legs and stuff, and I just used Danish oil to put it on, so it's drying, and I thought, might as well go for a scoot. So we are going to explore two new bays, Tākou Bay and Tākou Bay or something like that. Hopefully I can get to them. That's the plan. I just saw them on a map, and we'll see where they are, how to get there, and what they look like. And I think you guessed it, red is on the menu today. So hopefully she'll behave. We can get her started, and yeah, let's go for a ride. See you out there. As per usual, got some moving juice, met a friend. So yeah, let's go. Leaving Kerikeri was pretty easy, usual trip, just going to Waipapa and then taking it up north towards Kayo and Kaitaia. And I was looking for a turnoff, which I have missed because there was no sign. And I'm thinking, it feels a little bit too long. I'm driving and riding and nothing's happening. So pulled over, consulted my cell phone, and yeah, I was right. Time to turn back. And yeah, I think I passed the turnoff by about half a K. So yeah, not too bad. Yeah, turn back. There is a bit of a gravel road, and then when you descend to the bay, It got pretty rough and kind of washed out, but yeah, not too bad of an effort. Made it to the beach. Well, it's beautiful. Kitties playing in the water. I am being a naughty man because this is a private land. You have, I don't know if there is, it's definitely not public access, so sorry fellas, but hey, at least I came to have a look once. Maybe in the future we'll make some friends around here and you know, get a permission to come little swim or a dive or something. It's beautiful estuary. Wow. I don't want to hang out for too long. Yeah, so I might go and have a chat with somebody. See what happens. What a Saturday, yay! Come here to the beach, have a play with water and sand. So much better than sitting at the computer and, I don't know, and playing games or something. So fellas with a little spear gun or something, like a little stick with a prong at the end. Very cool. Oh man, so excited to be here. Well, in New Zealand in general, and in Northland. It's beautiful. Seems like fella has been diving over there. I go and have a little chat. I just chat with a fella. Just came from a dive, got some mussels at the end. I don't know if I'm gonna go for a wander. Oh, we might as well go. Let's have a look. So beautiful, eh? I think people went over into the rocks for a dive. I wonder, I need to get the diving gear and try what the waters are here, like if they are as bad. Well, they are not bad, but a bit more violent in Wairarapa. Maybe they are a bit easier. Who knows? But the bay is beautiful, eh? Gorgeous. Oh, and the fresh sea air blowing in my face. So nice. Alright, let's keep riding. Wow, just stunning. Come on, baby. I don't know if you noticed, I got a little bit of a wobble in that gravel. I did it kind of intentionally. I was in the corner leaning and I missed riding my Beamer adventure bike, so I gave gave the throttle a little bit of a twisty and spin the rear wheel. Yeah, that was pretty cool. I would actually say that it's easier to spin the rear wheel and keep your balance up on this little beast because you are quite low to the ground, and you put a foot up and balance it out. When if you are on a big beamer, you know, when the seat is almost meter above the ground, so, and also it sits so high, it is pretty spooky trying to spin a wheel. And also, you know that if you slid too far and you try to hold yourself up with your leg, there is no way you're gonna hold up to 150 kilograms. Where this bike is probably same weight, to be honest, but it's totally different distribution of the weight. Today the baby is going pretty well, I can't complain. You know, I always listening for little knocks and nicks and scratches and things and taps, and there is always something, so I did worry if she's okay, but yeah, I don't know. I feel like I should rejet the carburetor. Always feel like she's a bit thirsty and too much air coming in, and I don't know. Maybe I should try a different jet. Let's finish the video with a quick look at the stone store. The oldest and the first stone building in New Zealand. Over there was a marae and a pa, the Maori side. With on this side as well, there was the first entry for the forest to come many years ago, 1800 or whatever. So yeah, looks like it's a low tide. Bit of water, nice little harbour. Yeah. So anyway, this one was a nice little short and brief and quick. So thank you for watching. It was a little bit of an adventure to have a look at the beach where we shouldn't. And yeah, I will see you in the next one. Be good, behave, don't do anything I wouldn't do, and I shall see you next Friday, hopefully. See you.